Alright, so hey, it's Maxda. Alright, so I'm with my friend Sam Skateman 10 and Chippist. He's Sam Skateman's 10 brothers. So we made a sign that said honk for peace, and we have had a ton of cars honk. So I'm hiding behind this tree because most people wouldn't honk if they were being filmed. So, hold on, Sam's calling me. Watch, you can see him. He's right over there. There he is. So, in case you didn't hear him, he said, oh, hold on, there's a car coming. Or at least I think there is. Yep. Honk for peace! Yeah! Yeah, that's right, just drive along, buddy. Yeah, go away. Alright.
We want you to start this campaign in your neighborhood. We don't want any more show-ups in Iraq.
Whoa. Alright, in case you didn't hear what he said start this campaign in your neighborhood. Oh, there's another kid. There's another car. And start it in your neighborhood. Try to. We don't want soldiers in Iraq anymore. They're dying! Please honk. Honk. Oh. It's 1, 2, 3 in a line. One of them didn't honk. Honk. Oh, thank you. Alright, that's 3 for 3. Alright, so, alright. Alright, so, this is it. I can't see any more cars, but I'm running out of battery on my camera, so I gotta go. Bye. Hold on, let me focus this in. It's Maxda. Hold on, how do you turn this?